Have you ever found a new crypto, came to the conclusion that you want to buy it, and then find out it isn't listed on your favorite exchange? And it seems that Binance and Coinbase are only listing big cryptos that you already feel like you've missed out on. Now, what you could do is go and buy your coins from a decentralized exchange like Uniswap and interact directly with the DeFi space, which maybe you should be doing if you're getting involved with crypto. But that route might just not tickle the fancy of some of you out there, and you feel much better in the safe hands of a centralized exchange. The risks of huge gas fees and misrouted transactions might put some of you off. Look, I get it. You want the safety of a central exchange, but you also want the coins that have a chance at actually making some decent returns. Well, out there in the crypto world, there are exchanges that have a wide range of coins not available on the big platforms like Binance and Coinbase. One of these is the exchange that I'll be talking over with you today, AscendEX. AscendEX, formerly BitMax, is a global digital asset financial platform founded by a group of Wall Street quantitative trading veterans in 2018, building the core values of efficiency, resilience, and transparency. As regulation spreads amongst the crypto space, a lot of major exchanges are requesting you to KYC before you're able to use their platform. Some even then let you deposit funds, but then won't let you withdraw without completing a KYC. And this is not very appealing to a lot of people in the space. AscendEX will allow you to withdraw assets up to the value of 2 Bitcoin without completing KYC. So unless you are someone putting large amounts of money into a central exchange, this will give you a platform to access crypto without KYCing. That being said, you must look into your own country's regulation regarding the use of AscendEX. I only know AscendEX in relation to my own situation, so you need to look into it for yourself. AscendEX has a multi-asset collateral futures trading platform. Futures trading is when you place a leveraged bet on the direction you think an asset's value will go. In order to place said position, you need to use an asset as collateral. Most of the time, you would use the same asset you are trading as collateral, for example, using Bitcoin as collateral for leveraged position in Bitcoin. On AscendEX, the multi-asset collateral mechanism supports 13 different assets: Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, Bitcoin Cash, DOT, Link, USDC, PAX, XRP, BNB, Matic, Tron, ADA, Uni, ETC, Filecoin, FTT, VET, and USDTR. Within multi-asset collateral, you can use all assets you hold on AscendEX as collateral in terms of any of their... Oh my... I've said collateral too many times. I keep saying things too many times. Within multi-asset collateral, you can use... Oh my god. Within multi-asset collateral, you can use all assets you hold on AscendEX as collateral for any of their futures positions. Now let me be very clear, I would never use futures or leverage trading, as there are so many ways to make money in this market, and without the appropriate trading experience and expertise, placing a futures position is extremely risky and can easily result in a loss of funds. In my opinion, spot trading and other strategies are enough to make life-changing money in this market, and leverage trading is just greedy. Greed does not do well in crypto. That being said, for those of you who do know what you're doing with leverage trading, the option of multi-asset collateral is there as an option on AscendEX. Also, AscendEX currently has some of the best percentage yields for stablecoin staking across the market. They boast up to 30% APY on stablecoin staking when you factor in compounding on top of their advertised 8% yield. So if you're someone who tends to keep their funds in stablecoins before allocating them into crypto, then getting a high interest rate for just having your money sitting there may be something to consider. Make your money work for you. Another cool feature you could consider looking at on AscendEX is their rewards system. You can win or earn real money from completing tasks. You would simply complete a task such as enable futures trading to earn $10 USDT, then go to My Rewards and claim it. As well as this, you can join their lucky draws for your chance to win a share of $10,000 each Wednesday. Alternatively, if you fancy yourself an amazing trader, then you can also join in their trading challenge to win a share of $50,000. Statement from AscendEX say they're excited to roll out the second season of the promotional event Wednesday Lucky Draw, taking place every Wednesday, offering users pool rewards worth of 10,000 USDT each week. Users who execute cash trades for at least 3 days while maintaining a daily trading volume of at least 100 USDT during the preceding 7 days will be eligible for Wednesday Lucky Draw of the Week. So to participate in the event, users must execute cash trades for at least 3 to 5 days each week, while maintaining a daily trading volume worth 100 USDT or more. A total of 150 winners will be selected from the lucky draw event to win a share of 10,000 USDT worth of rewards. And then if none of those methods talk to you, you can also join their Stake and Earn program. Users who invest in any investment product of AscendEX Earn whilst maintaining an investment amount of at least $300 USDT will be eligible to join a lucky draw to win a share of 10,000 USDT. So if you're looking for an exchange that might win you some money, then AscendEX might be for you. As mentioned earlier on in the video, AscendEX has an extensive range of coins that aren't available on other big platforms. They have a lot of small cap coins that you wouldn't find on places like Binance and Coinbase. They also have a lot of gaming and metaverse tokens that you might find interesting to check out, especially if we're thinking about a gaming and metaverse run next bull run. It may be an idea just to go check out some of the pairs on AscendEX, so you might even discover yourself some brand new coins that you haven't seen before in the crypto space. So for example, if we just quickly check out a coin here, BEM, bearing in mind I've done absolutely no research into BEM, this is the first time I've ever heard of it. BEM is currently sitting at a $7.4 million market cap, which, while that sounds high, is actually relatively low in the crypto world. BEM is also exclusive to AscendEX and PancakeSwap, so AscendEX is the only central exchange that you can buy this coin on. So I'm not saying go buy BEM, but what I am saying is that there's a lot of coins out there on AscendEX that you won't find anywhere else. So this may be a good place to find those new coins. So if anything I've outlined for you in today's video makes you interested in using AscendEX, first of all the links are in the description of this video, so go check it out for yourself. Make sure you have done all your own research into the platform before using it. Nothing I've said in this video is financial advice. This video is to simply show you the other options for other exchanges that are currently out there in the crypto world. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you're interested in checking out AscendEX. I also just want to ask you guys a question, which is, why aren't you following the TikTok yet? Go check out the TikTok. Also, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, get those bell notifications on, and I will see you next video.